Hi my beautiful loves, it's Shiloh Wood here from Perfect Shade Cosmetics. Today I have a much requested video to do where I'm going to be teaching you how to use alternative foundations as corrector and as well as a contouring product. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use coffee as well as caramel as correctors and the coffee as a contouring product together with my vanilla foundation. So my face has been prepped with primer. I'm going to just apply the coffee foundation. I've already decanted it on one side of my face, and you can see immediately the peachy undertone neutralizes the dark circles underneath the eyes. And if it was the wrong color, you would not see this freckle getting covered up. You would not see this freckle getting covered up. So I'm going to apply it around my mouth as well. So this is what you're going to use, you know, if we are ever out of stock of latte. As I said, versatility in my products is crucial when I'm developing my brand. So I trust that you will be able to find innovative ways to use all of our foundations. This, I've now decanted caramel, and I'm going to use it underneath my eyes, and you can see because it is olive toned, it neutralizes the dark circles immediately. So anything on the warm side, like your caramel, latte, coffee, bronze, toffee as well, will work as a corrector if we are out of stock of a certain code. Okay, so on my left-hand side, I have coffee being used as a corrector, and on my right hand side I have caramel that's being used as a corrector, and immediately you can see that it has already neutralized the areas that are hyperpigmented and covered up my freckles on this area as well as uneven skin tone around my mouth. Next, I'm going to apply my vanilla foundation. Now I find that a lot of ladies are applying too much of corrector, which eventually changes the color of your overall finish. So please stick to hyperpigmented areas or uneven skin toned areas only with your corrector and not applying it on your entire face. If you're not sure, please WhatsApp us on 079-272-4713 for the steps on how to achieve flawless application. I've decanted my vanilla foundation and now I'm going to apply it. Also, it's best to get different brushes that are specifically for your corrector only, and your blender or foundation brush that is specifically for your foundation. Next, I'm going to use my blender to blend out the foundation. So depending on the finish that you want, you can either wet your blender or you can use it dry if you have really oily skin. If you have dry skin, then wet your blender. Okay, face beads. You can see all of my freckles have been hidden from the caramel corrector. And basically your foundation is just to even out the rest of your face and create a base for the rest of your makeup. But it is your corrector that does majority of your coverage work. But it is your corrector that does majority of your coverage needs and requirements according to your skin. Okay, so I've got corrector over there, and now I'm going to go with foundation closer up once I've blended my face in. Next, I'm going to apply the vanilla foundation close to my eyes on both sides, going over the corrector. You can even go 2 shades lighter underneath your eyes if you prefer to get more brightness for under your eyes, as well as if your eyes are quite sunken in. So I would recommend you going 2 shades lighter underneath your eyes. My circles are not bad, so I'm sticking to my foundation. Just blending it. Perfect coverage. Next, I'm going to seal my face with number 3 powder to keep my foundation in place. So it doesn't matter if you have the Ultra Essence or the matte correctors, as long as you have either coffee, latte, caramel, toffee, coffee, and bronze. These are our correcting foundations as well as correctors. These are our correcting foundations, and it can be used as a foundation as well. So I've decanted number 3 powder, and I am going to apply this on my entire face. Number 3 powder. I prefer a more dewy finish, so I'm going to just seal underneath my eyes with the powder puff, and then the rest of the face I'm going to just lightly brush over. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the coffee corrector as a contouring product. So I've sealed my face with powder, and now I'm going to go over with coffee in the areas that needs contouring. So if you want to create higher cheekbones, then just apply it here underneath your cheekbones. So from the top of the ear to the corner of the mouth, that's where your contour needs to be for high cheekbones. I like to seal it with powder first before I do the contour so that it has a lasting finish, and the contour remains quite prominently for the rest of the day. You just pat on it. Just to take away the contour itself and blend it well so it looks like natural contours. Okay, that's the cheekbones, and then I'm going to use the same brush to cut jawline. Double chins. And any sagging of the jawline that comes with aging. So even if you want to make your face a little bit less long, then you would contour like this. For more in-depth tutorial on highlighting and contouring, please go to my YouTube channel, Shiloh Beauty, and click on the videos and scroll all the way down, and you'll see a video that gives you a detailed tutorial on where to contour and how to contour and what products. But this is just an innovative way to use your correctors as a contouring product as well. Okay, a lovely, beautiful contour. Now I'm going to seal it with my number 3 powder, which is my setting powder. So ladies, I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope that it has given you some insight as to how to use your corrector, also how to improvise when a certain shade is out of stock, as well as using it as a contouring product. For more information, please WhatsApp us on 079-272-4713. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see more of these amazing videos. Bye!